Okay, let's see if I can put this hair up with just one bobby pin. I want to get ready for a date I have tonight with my boo. So join me while I get ready. And as usual, I always start with some SPF. This is part of the moisturizer that comes with the Time Wise Repair set. You can get this alone or you could get it with the full repair set. Just let me know if this is something that you would like. It has great SPF coverage. That's why I put it all over my face, including my neck. Super, super important to stay well moisturized so that your foundation looks great. Gonna grab my primer, of course, and I'm already almost done with my primer. I need to order some more. I like putting it under the eyes and completely all around the face to make sure that that caulking is fantastic. I started doing something different with concealer. I'm putting it all around like an Indian style because I want to make sure I get really, really good coverage when I want to cover up the freckles. And I'm going to use my cream to powder foundation, which I call the stiletto of Mary Kay foundation, because the coverage is absolutely ridiculous. And because I put the concealer under, it's giving me an extra boost of coverage all around the face, over the forehead, of course, because freckles are everywhere, girl. The concealer, of course, I like to put it on under the eyes, on the eyelid. I'm using this as my eyeshadow primer as well. And with the concealer brush, a lot of my customers have already bought the concealer brush. It's only $10. I love putting it around the eye, not rubbing, but dabbing. And of course, I'm running out of also the translucent powder, and I'm putting it all around the face so that I don't get no wrinkles anywhere. And then I go in with the contouring part, just a bronzer and a small thin brush to kind of go around the jawbone. And girl, let's take care of this double chin and just contour. It's all an illusion, baby. It's all an illusion. Know how to work the makeup. And with the Juicy Java blush, I'm going to just put that on because I want a nice clean face. And eyeliner, of course, this is a top seller. The eyeliner is fantastic. I'm going to grab the eyeliner brush, dip that into an eyeshadow, and do my eyebrows. The Mary Kay eyeshadows work very good when you want to fill in those eyebrows. Eyebrow pencils are not a good idea because they pull out the hair and then you don't have a lot of hair left. And honestly, look at the one from the other. You can tell we need it. Now I'm going to go in with Amber Blaze as my transition color. You remember how important I mentioned at my classes, a transition color is very important. Now this palette is from the Runway palette that we had back maybe last catalog. And you can even use Peacock that we have in our eyeshadow palettes as well, and put that in the outer corners. As you could tell, I'm absolutely loving this blue in this Project Runway palette, and I'm going to dip in there with my Smokey eye brush. A lot of my customers also got this brush. Grab a little bit of that blue, put it under the eye for a beautiful smoky eye look with that royal blue. I'm loving it. And because I'm wearing blue and gold tonight, I can use Gold Coast or the gold that's also in this Runway palette and put it in the inner corners of my eye. And look how beautiful that looks. Yes, and then go in with a little bit of red, because honey, I gotta look sexy tonight for my baby. And I'm just using the lip liner. There's no lipstick here, no lip gloss. Who can do that with lip liner? I mean, it's so smooth. Go in with my ultimate mascara because I absolutely love my mascara. Pull down that hair, and I am so ready for my date tonight. I'm gonna put on a nice royal blue and gold dress. So stay tuned for some pictures, and I'm gonna have a nice Monday date night.